Listen up. If you're in business in 2025 and you're not talking about AI, you're already losing. Let's cut the crap and get straight to it. AI in marketing isn't some sci-fi movie fantasy, it's the single biggest shift in the game right now. Think of it like this. AI is your smartest, fastest, and most switched-on employee. It's the one who can look at a mountain of data, every click, every purchase, every single comment, and tell you exactly what your customer wants before they even know it themselves. It's not magic, it's technology that learns and adapts, helping you make smarter, faster decisions. So, what does this actually mean in plain English? It means understanding your customer on a level you've never been able to before. Forget blasting the same generic advert to 1 million people and hoping for the best. AI allows you to create one-to-one conversations at scale. It's the difference between shouting into a crowd and whispering a personalized recommendation directly into someone's ear. This is about data-driven decisions, not guesswork. It's about delivering real value to your audience every single time, which builds trust and ultimately drives sales. It's the ultimate tool for relevance. The power here is insane. AI makes your marketing incredibly efficient. It saves you an enormous amount of time by automating the boring, repetitive tasks that used to eat up your day. Think about scheduling social media posts, analyzing campaign results, or even writing first drafts of emails. AI can handle that, freeing you and your team up to focus on the things that actually matter: strategy, creativity, and building real human connections. This isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter and letting technology do the heavy lifting for you. And let's talk about the bottom line, because that's what really counts. Using AI cuts your costs. You stop wasting money on adverts that don't hit the mark. You identify what's working and double down on it, and you cut what's failing without a second thought. Your return on investment skyrockets because every penny is spent with more intelligence behind it. Better results, lower costs, and more time to innovate. If that doesn't get you fired up, you're in the wrong business. This is the new standard for winning in the marketplace. If you want proof, just look at the giants. They're not just using AI, they built their empires on it. Take Amazon. Every time you log in, its AI is working overtime. The customers who bought this also bought feature, that's AI. The personalized product recommendations that feel like they're reading your mind, that's AI. It analyzes your past purchases, what you've browsed, and what other people like you have bought to create a shopping experience that is tailored just for you. They are masters of using data to sell you more stuff, and it works brilliantly. Then there's Netflix. How do you think they keep millions of people glued to their screens? It's not just about having a massive library of content. Their recommendation engine is one of the most powerful AI systems on the planet. It analyzes what you watch, how long you watch it, what time of day you watch, and even the moments you rewatch. It then uses that data to push the perfect next show or film to your homepage. They even use AI to create different thumbnail images for the same film to see which one you are most likely to click on. That is next-level personalization. Let's not forget brands like Coca-Cola. They use AI to understand market trends and consumer sentiment on a global scale. They can analyze millions of social media conversations to see how people are talking about their brand, what flavors they might want next, and where the next big marketing opportunity lies. This allows them to stay relevant in a fast-changing world and connect with new generations of customers. AI gives them the market intelligence they need to make massive billion-dollar decisions with confidence instead of just guessing what the world wants. The tools these giants use are becoming more accessible to everyone. You don't need a massive budget to get in the game anymore. Platforms like ChatGPT or Jasper can help you create amazing content in a fraction of the time. Tools like HubSpot and Salesforce have powerful AI features built in to help you manage customer relationships and automate your marketing campaigns. The playing field is leveling out. The question is, are you going to step onto it and start competing, or are you going to sit on the sidelines and watch? So, what's around the corner? The future of AI in marketing is happening faster than you can blink, and it's going to get even more personal. Think about voice search. More and more people are using devices like Alexa and Google Assistant to find things. Hey Google, find me the best pizza near me. Marketing is shifting to answer those direct, conversational questions. AI will be crucial for optimizing your content to be the top answer for voice queries. If you're not thinking about how your brand sounds when spoken, you're already behind on the next big wave. Another huge area is predictive analytics. This is where AI gets really smart. It's about looking at all your past data and making incredibly accurate predictions about the future. It can tell you which customers are likely to stop buying from you so you can reach out to them before they leave. It can predict which products will be best sellers next season so you can stock up. It's like having a crystal ball for your business, allowing you to get ahead of trends instead of just reacting to them. This will separate the winners from the losers in the years to come. Now, let's crush a major misconception. People are terrified that AI is going to take their jobs. Stop! AI is not going to replace human marketers. It's going to augment them. It will make them better, faster, and more strategic. AI is a tool, just like a computer or the internet. It handles the data analysis and the repetitive grunt work, which frees up humans to do what they do best. Be creative, build relationships, show empathy, and make the final strategic calls. Your job isn't going away, it's evolving into something more valuable. The truth is, the future of marketing is a partnership between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. The creativity, storytelling, and emotional connection that a human can bring are irreplaceable. AI provides the data and insights to make that creativity more effective and targeted. It's the ultimate collaboration. The marketers who embrace AI as a co-pilot will be the ones who thrive. They will be able to create campaigns that are both emotionally resonant and incredibly precise, delivering results that are impossible to achieve otherwise. Alright, so you're ready to get in the game. What's your first move? It's simpler than you think. Don't try to boil the ocean, start small. Begin by using accessible AI tools to help with your content creation. Fire up ChatGPT or Jasper and ask it to generate 10 blog post ideas about your industry. Ask it to write 5 different versions of an ad headline. Use it to draft a social media calendar for the next week. This is a low-risk, high-reward way to see the power of AI for yourself and save hours of work immediately. Just start playing with it. Next, look at the marketing software you already use. Chances are, it has AI features you're not even aware of. Whether you use MailChimp for emails, HubSpot for your CRM, or Google Analytics for your website data, there is AI working under the bonnet. Spend some time learning what those features are. Can it recommend the best time to send an email? Can it analyze your website traffic and give you insights? Activate those features. You are probably already paying for them, so put them to work and start getting more value from your existing tools. Once you're comfortable, think about one specific problem you want to solve. Is it personalizing your email campaigns? Is it improving your social media engagement? Focus your AI efforts on that one area. For example, you could use an AI tool to analyze your customer data and segment your audience into smaller, more specific groups. Then, you can tailor your messaging for each group. By focusing on one clear goal, you can measure the impact directly and see the return on your investment, which will give you the confidence to expand your efforts. The takeaway is this: the future of marketing isn't coming, it's already here. Waiting is not a strategy. The time for excuses is over. You have the tools at your fingertips, and many of them are free or low cost. The only thing stopping you is your own hesitation. Start today. Be curious, be willing to experiment, and don't be afraid to fail. Embrace AI not as a threat, but as the single greatest opportunity your business has to connect with customers and grow. Now go do it.